Unboxing the beauty products I got from Clarins. I actually just bought 2 things, but they sent me a lot of freebies. Imagine, mas madami pa yung freebies kesa sa binili ko. Actually, wala akong balak bumili sa Clarins, but then nakita ko tong lip oil na mini and I really love their lip oil aside from the lip oil I got from Dior. So I decided to buy that, but they have like free shipping if you reach the required amount. Also, syempre, for you to become addicted in shopping, they actually put like, oh, you need to buy this amount so you can get these freebies. So of course, as a shopaholic, hindi natin yung palalampasin. Yung freebies talaga yung gusto ko kasi meron siyang pouch, ang dami niyang mga tester ng mga skincare, and also they have makeup too. So why not coconut? Addict tayo sa pagsa-shopping. Kaya ayun, napabili nga tayo ng hindi naman natin kailangan. Ito na nga, ito yung pouch na freebie nila. So, kaya ko binili yung 2 item na yon. Actually, gusto ko nga lang is lip oil. But because they said I will get that one and a lot of more freebies if I that said amount. So, ito guys, tingnan nyo naman. Binili ko to kasi ang cute. Ang ganda niya, gold. O, diba? Meron pa siyang pa-pouch na ganyan. And na-try ko na siya actually. Maganda naman siya. So, ito na lahat siya, guys. Ito yung mga freebies niya. O, diba? Ang dami. So, nakaka-addict talaga mag-shopping pag may freebies.